This is the front view, this is top view. You should write the name of views. This is side view, clearly mention the view. Similarly, insert the dimensions of each figure separately like this. This is a diameter, so that should be inserted, the dimension should be inserted like this with phi. The diameter is given as 40 millimeter, so phi 40, that to be written like this. 40 millimeter is the diameter. Similarly, for this square we can insert the dimension like this, square of 50 millimeter. On this side it would not, it's difficult to insert the dimension, we can insert on this side also. Square 50 like this. So I hope it's clear to you, and this is the actual solution of the problem, which is shown over here. This is front view, this is side view, and this is top view. You write the name of views. This curve is full line, this curve is full, this is dotted, and this is dotted. If this square prism is drawn towards us and cylinder is away from us, so in that case this dotted line would be full line and this dotted line would be full line, and both these lines would differentiate each other. Now next problem, this we have seen, this is the scene drawn problem. Now question number 3b, asked in option for 7 marks. A vertical cone diameter of base 70 millimeter and axis 90 millimeter long is completely penetrated by a cylinder of 40 millimeter diameter. The intersection of cone and cylinder is given. The axis of the cylinder are parallel to HP and VP and intersect the axis of cone at a point 27 millimeter above the base. Draw the projections of solids showing curves of intersection. Here you can see here vertical cone is given. We know the front view of cone is triangle and top view of the cone is circle of diameter 70 millimeter, and triangle height would be 90 millimeter, width would be 70 millimeter. So first we draw a given cone, its top view, front view and side view, and after that it is given that it is penetrated by a horizontal cylinder of diameter 40 millimeter. So we have to draw a circle of diameter 40 millimeter in side view in such a way that the axis is 27 millimeter above the base, which is given in the data. Axis is 27 millimeter above the base. So the given case is like this. This is the cone, this is the cylinder. A vertical cone is given, diameter 70 millimeter and height 90 millimeter, and this cylinder is penetrating this cone like this. So this would be the curve of intersection, this one. This is second case. This you can see on this side also. Both these views would be similar, just the angle is different. And to draw this case, this would be the front view. You can see here. If you look from the front side, this curve of intersection would appear like this. This is the curve of intersection that we have to draw. And this is the top view. You can see here. In top view, this case would appear like this. So in this problem, we have to draw this curve like this and this curve. And in this problem here, this bottom face is there of this cone is a circle. So that would appear inside this like this from here to here. So that is to be represented by dotted line because circular base is there, but it is not visible because of this horizontal cylinder. Similarly, on this cylinder here to the back side, a circle, this arc would be there, that to be represented by the dotted line. Now let me draw the same problem in the drawing. This is the case. Now to draw this problem, let we draw a circle of diameter which is given to us, that is 70 millimeter. So take 35 mm as a radius and draw a circle with diameter 70 millimeter like this, and insert this parameter 70 millimeter, and then draw axis of the solid like this, and through this axis we can represent the axis like this as well, one long dash, one small dash. When in examination you have to take care about timings, because it will take very long time to draw to the scale. So for that you should do long practice, and in examination also you should spare appropriate time to solve the problem. Suppose this problem is asked for 7 marks, so we have to provide 18 minutes only. Within 18 minutes this problem should be completed. This is the front view of the cone, that is triangle like this, and in side view also this cone would appear as a triangle of given data like this. Height and width are given to us for this cone, and here the axis of cone would be there. This is the axis of this horizontal cone, this vertical cone. Now here the dimension is given, height is 90 millimeter like this, so insert the dimension like this. This height is 90 millimeter. You can show the axis over here, and here this is the dimension line, and this axis, this is xy axis, you can represent, you can write like this, axis xy, and this height is 90 millimeter, and this is the apex point of the given cone. Now here a cylinder is there which passes through this cone, and the axis is 27 millimeter above the base. So from this base at a distance of 27 millimeter, draw an axis like this, and this axis is the axis of horizontal cylinder, because it is given in the data that this height is 27 millimeter. The axis of horizontal cylinder is 27 millimeter above the base, and translate this axis to this also. Now taking this point as the center and 20 mm as the radius, draw a circle which is given in the data, because diameter of horizontal cylinder is 40 millimeter. So draw a circle having 20 millimeter diameter like this. This circle represents the side view of the cylinder. Now we draw the front view of the cylinder by taking projections like this and like this, and this is from on this side, here and here. We join all these endpoints with the full line like this, like this. Length is not given to us, so we assume symmetrical on both the side. Here also the cylinder inner portion would not be visible, hence we should represent that edge by dotted line. Here inside it would not be visible, hence we join with the dotted line like this. So this dotted line represents the edge of the cylinder which is inside this cone like this. Now in top view also we can draw the cylinder like this by taking projections from front view and from side view like this. This is the cone. This is the top view of the cylinder, and again here also this edge would not be visible, hence to be represented by dotted line inside this circle. In this side also it is to be represented by dotted line inside this circle like this. So till now we have drawn the basic requirement of this problem. Insert its dimension like this. This is the circle having dimension is to be inserted like this, and phi 70. Phi should be written. It represents that it's a diameter parameter, and here radius dimension should not be inserted. We should not write radius is 35. Of course its radius is 75 millimeter, but as per standard notations the diameter is to be inserted in the given data, in the given drawing. You should mention or 3b, that means it's asked in option in question number 3b. Now to draw this curve of intersection, which is over here, let me divide this circle into equal number of parts. We can divide into more number of parts. Let me take 8 equal divisions, means drawing lines at an angle of 45 degree with each other. So this is the 8 division of the circle. Again same as the previous problems, we draw all these imaginary generators over the periphery of the cylinder like this. So these are the generators. On this side also, in top view also, these generators could be drawn like this, and we can name appropriately. Here suppose we start from here, this is point number 1, point number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and similarly transfer these points 1, 2 over here, 2 is here, so 2, 3 is here, 4, 5 or 5 days, 6 days, and here is 7 days, and here is 8 days. Similarly from 1 to 1 is here, 2 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are the points. Now find out the points of intersection. So for that again we employ the previous analogy, but here we have to draw the slant edges or the imaginary generator over the periphery of this cone like this. Pick up one point. So for that, this is the one point somewhere here. So for that, from here draw a generator like this. From here also draw a generator. So this is the generator which is to be drawn over here like this, and from here draw the generator like this. So this is the point of intersection is here. This generator cuts the imaginary generator over here, so draw vertical line from here that will cut this generator at this point. So here is one point. With the same analogy, draw curve imaginary generator over here that will cut this point over here, 2 and 8 over here, and from here draw a straight vertical line like this. And here on this side the point should be there, and join all these points with the smooth curve like this, these points with the smooth curve like this, and here in top view also those points would be visible, hence that we represent those points like this. From here draw a straight vertical line like this and this. So up to this end this line would be fully visible up to this end. On this side also this line would be fully visible like this. Similarly on this side up to this point and this point, sorry, up to this point the cylinder would be visible like this and like this, and after that it should be, these 2 points should be joined like this, from here, from this end to this end like this. A smooth curvature shape would appear. Similarly on this side a smooth curvature shape would appear, and this curvature shape would be parallel to this base, and this base should be drawn with the dotted line because it is behind this cylinder, so it will not be visible, hence to be joined with the dotted line like this, and this full line should be erased because it's not visible. Similarly this cylinder is visible on this side, this is not visible, like this. So this is the top view of the problem, and here we can insert the names. It's a side view, it's a front view, it's a top view. And this is problem number 3B. It should be written or 3B with the big letters, because students forget to write answer number on the drawings, because it's a subject of drawing. They concentrate over the drawing and missed to write the number of questions on the drawing. I hope it's clear to you. This is the solution, which is you can see on the screen, answer 3B, which is written over here clearly. Side view, front view, top view, 570, height is the 90 millimeter, and this is diameter 40 millimeter. So I am concluding right now question number 3B with 3B, and next time we will continue with the solution of more questions of the same question paper. And do take good care of yourself, and wish you all the best for your examination. Thank you. Thanks to all.